beginners make the mistake of rushing their first Brazilian wax. But getting it right comes down to 4 essential stages. In this guide, we'll walk through each stage with practical beginner tips. Let's start with step 1, preparing the skin. Clean, dry skin is your foundation. Use a gentle cleanser to remove oils or lotions, then ensure the area is completely dry. Proper preparation helps the wax adhere to the hair more effectively. Depending on your wax type, follow the manufacturer's instructions for any pre-wax product. Now, step 2, application. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. Use a clean applicator to spread an even layer according to the wax manufacturer's instructions. Work in small, manageable sections rather than covering a large area at once. This gives you more control and makes it easier to follow the product instructions. Now for the most important part, step 3, removal. For the specific wax you're using, follow the manufacturer's instructions for removal direction and timing. If the instructions call for removal against hair growth, use a controlled, confident movement. If appropriate for the product and technique, support the surrounding skin with your free hand. Immediately after removal, apply gentle pressure to the area. Now that the waxing is done, we move to step 4, aftercare. Use a gentle, suitable aftercare product according to its instructions. For the next 24 hours, minimize excessive heat, friction, and anything else that irritates freshly waxed skin. Listen to your skin and give it time to recover. If you experience significant or persistent irritation, seek appropriate medical advice. To recap, prepare the surface, apply with hair growth, follow the product's removal instructions, and finish with gentle aftercare. Following each step carefully can make the process more consistent from one session to the next. If you found this illustration helpful, subscribe to MTH Health for more wellness guides. See you in the next video.